Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Which one you people are waiting, that model we will start it, okay na, that model we will start it. But I will implement these things also when I will start what I when I will start Spring MVC, right? In this time, at that time also I will implement. But let's first, what is the use of a Mail API, right? Mail module, right? What is the use of a Spring Mail module? So first let's understand, okay na? So first let's understand. Okay, so just I'm opening my email only, right? So here, come here, okay? Come here. Okay. So yeah, just I'm opening the email, right? So how we are sending that the data and all those things, okay? And so I don't want this email ID. I want another. Hmm. Okay, na? So in the mail, right? Come to compose, right? Come to compose, right? Come to compose. I'm using the compose. This one is right. This UI is what? This is UI is there, right? Here the two is there. Here we are writing at the time of sending what mail. We are writing that, right? That we are writing here. We are writing the text. Okay, na? After if need, we are using the what file attachment also or not. We are using the file attachment also, right? So these things is there, right? These things is there. But in assume that how which field is mandatory, means without email id we can't able to send the email, means after the subject also mandatory, no, this is the optional only, right? This is the optional, subject is optional, but and the text these things is optional, right? These things is what means, these things must be whenever we are sending the data, we are giving the description after email id and we are something writing that, right? So think about that, these things is a mandatory. But file attachment, after then what, ccc, after then what ccc is there. Ccc means carbon copy, bcc means blind copy, right? Blind carbon copy means, and these two tags are there, right? These two tags are there. So same like our spring framework also given, right? Which module is spring mail module, right? So here what is that our application is doing, right? So if we want to perform in our project, right, mail kind of operation, which annotate, so which module we are using, that we are using what, spring mail module, right? Spring mail module. So for that, just I'm designing this one. Okay, now compose is there, right? Compose is there. So compose. So think about that. This is the mime type, mime messages, right? This is what mime messages means. Mime messages means multi-purpose internet mail extension. This is called what in the terminology of technology, right? Mime type, right? Multi-purpose internet mail extension, right? So like come here, right? Come here. So what I'm doing, that I'm designing that, just I'm designing that page, right? So just I'm designing that page. So in that what things is there, so just I'm giving what mime type, mime messages, my messages, right? My message. Okay, so this one is what my message is there, fine. So come again email id. So what is that, two is there, right? So two is there, just I'm giving the imagination friend, okay now. So think about that, this is the two boxes there, right? This is the two boxes there. This is the two boxes there, where we will write the whom we send the email, right? Whom we send the email, two box we will write. After then here only ccc, if we want to send to attach another email id also, for that what ccc is there, and bccc is there. Ccc means if we send to email using ccc, right? No, who is the receiver also is there, those receivers also can understand, okay, the person is sent to email for this person, but blind copy, in the blind copy person, the person will not see, right? Whom see, means one person to another person, its visibility is not there. Because of that we are using what, BCCC, means blind carbon copy, means the full form of what, blind carbon copy. Okay, not to send, means where we are sending, who, with whom person we want to send the email, right? Email. After then what we are doing, that at the time of writing the email, at the time of writing the email, we are using what, we are using what, subject, right? Subject means like some subject we are giving or not. So subject purpose we are also giving the what, one field, right? Subject, right? Subject. After then what, this is the text area, right? Some text area, hi dear, hi sir, hi, how are you, thanks for this regards this one. Okay na? So for that text purpose we are giving the text purpose or not, text purpose field. Okay, so after then if we want to attach that, right? If we want to attach something, right? So for that we are giving what, attachment or not. After then we are sending, right? After then we are sending, right? Send button we are clicking that, right? So same like operation our today our spring session will, means our spring model will do those things, will perform using what, spring model, right? If those operation we will perform using what, spring model. Okay na? Okay, so now, okay, so let's see that. Okay na? So come to in the mail, right? See to here what is, just where we have not want to send, right? Just Ravikant, my email ID is there, right? So here we are sending that. If we want to select BCCC, this is the optional things are, right? So here what is that, hello, just hello I'm giving, right? Means good morning. About yours, just I'm writing. And here what I'm doing, that something I'm writing or not. Okay na? So if need, then we are selecting the some files also, right? Some files also we are selecting or not, some. So for that, if we want to develop this kind of application, right? If we want to develop, even what, whenever we are registering the things, right? Whenever we are registering the things, suddenly we are getting the welcome message, like, see, these things is generating by schedule, right? Means the bank statement every month, it will schedule in. This is the spring schedule concept. Okay now, this one is the spring scheduling concept is there. So don't worry about that. Next our discussion is that one only. But before let's we understand these things. Okay now, let's we understand these things. After then we will implement those things. Okay now? So just understand, whatever the compose we are sending the mail, right? This is called what, my messages, right? My messages in the terminology of spring framework or technology framework, mime type, right? Mime messages means what, multi-purpose internet mail extension, right? Multi-purpose mail extension. Okay, so fine. So now like this. Okay now, so think about that. This is our mail, to send anyone mail. This is what, our mime type messages, right? Mime type messages. Okay, fine. So for that, if we want to perform, right? If we want to perform the operation, right? So what we will do now? Okay, so spring framework is given what, for us. If spring framework is given for what, Java mail sender IMPL class, and its one interface is given, Java mail sender. Its implementation class is what, Java mail sender IMPL is there, right? IMPL is there. But first we have need to connect, right? How our Java application will connect with what? Gmail, right? So Gmail. So first, for that some property we have need. So for that, what, some property we have need, what? Oh, link you want? 1 minute, friends. let her also to join little bit actually. She confused. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, now let's move on. For one person, we can't wait this much. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, fine. So the Spring Mail, right? Spring Mail. This is called what? Yeah, MIME type, right? This is called what? MIME type messages. Okay, now so for if we want to implement some properties we have need. So otherwise, how our Java application will know that, right? How our Java application will know that ki how we have need to connect what? How we have need to connect with the Java means our Gmail application, right? So for that, what we will do now? What we will do now? We will collect some information, right? Like, but first let's understand, right? First let's understand in that mail API, whatever mail API is given our Spring framework, right? For that, let's understand as a diagrammatically first. Okay, na? So we know that, right? Loose coupling, even IMPL classes and all those things. Okay, na? Previously we seen that, right? Previously we seen that. Okay, so for that, if we want to perform what Java mail API, so for that one interface is there. One interface is there. First, what we will do now? I don't want. Okay, so here only I'm writing the here only, right? The interface is given, right? Spring framework people is given the one interface. That interface name is what? Java mail, right? Java mail sender. Java mail sender, right? Java mail sender. This is what interface using this, but we know that, right? It's interface. We can't create the object. So where we will go? It's implementation class, right? So for that, to perform what? To give, to take the services means to take the services means our Java application can interact with what? Gmail or email, any mail server, right? So for that, its implementation class is given by whom? That implementation class is given, that implementation is class name is what? Java mail what? Java mail sender, Java mail sender IMPL, right? So with that, what is the, which kind of relation is there between these two interface and this class? Is a relation is there, right? Is a relation is there. Is a what is a relation is there. Okay, na? So fine. So now the relation is between the two interface, and this is the interface and this is the class, right? This is the concrete class inside that. So okay, so before, if we want to perform what? If we want to perform what? Mail sending operation, right? Like this operation, right? This operation, if we want to perform this operation, like to subject BCC CCC and to file attachment to send the email for anybody which is perform our application, these things to want to perform in our application, right? So for that, what? So we have to go its implementation classes, right? So let's understand with the UML diagram. We understand with the UML diagram the same things. Okay, na? So its implementation class is there, right? So for that, think about that. Just I'm saying that, just I'm creating the things here. Okay, na? So this is what? This is our interface is there, right? This is what our interface is there. Okay, so fine, this is our interface is there. This interface is given by whom? Oh, Spring framework, right? Spring framework, ORG. This is the ready-made things. By using these things, we will perform what? Spring mail operation, right? We will perform what? This Spring mail operation. This is what? So the Spring mail operation, this interface name is what? This interface name is what? Okay, let's see that. Okay, na? Let's see that this interface name is what? This interface name is what? Java mail sender, 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 right? this interface name is what? Java mail sender. Okay, fine. So now, okay, that's good only. Okay, so this is interface, but we know that by using the interface we can't do anything, right? We have need what? Its implementation class or not. Okay, so we have need what? Its implementation class. So for that, let's understand which kind of data type, variable, and all those things is there, what we have need to do to work on the spring mail module, right? So we will go its implementation class, right? We will go its implementation class. So let's see that as a UML diagram, that implementation class. Okay, now let's see that UML diagram. Based on that UML diagram, we will develop the application and we will see the operation. Okay, so now, so the but this implementation class, who is given? Who is given? Spring framework is given, right? This is the ready-made class, right? This is the what? Ready-made class, org dot spring framework. Okay, spring framework is given by, okay. So now, okay, so next, what is that? What is that? Come to here. Okay, now come to here, now plus symbol. So the class name is what? Java mail sender, 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 right? Sender IMPL, right? The class name is what? Java mail sender IMPL. Okay, na? This is the ready-made. This is the ready-made class, friend. Okay, na? We will use these classes to reduce our burden, right? To reduce our burden, we have need to just write what? Logic. If we are working in the spring framework, just we have need to write the logic, right? No need, just they given concrete classes. This is the concrete class between this interface and this class, right? This class, which relation is there? Even I explain here. Is a relation is there, right? Is a relation is there. Okay, so between these two classes, which relation is there? Is a relation is there. So but some property also there, right? Some property also there. Inside that minus host, right? Host property is there. Host property, this one will take what? String data. Okay, na? String data. Another more property is there. What is that? Port number, right? Port number. Then we can connect with what? Gmail server, right? To connecting with the Gmail server, we have need what? Host and port number are not means what we are doing, that www what? www dot what? gmail.com we are writing that, right? So these things will .com, these things will do our application, our Java application will do, right? Now we will write the logic and we will see that these operation who will perform? By using this implementation classes, right? By using this implementation classes, means port number and host number and port number we need or not. And after then, okay, this much operation, just think about that ki Google is there, just think about ki just Google is there, right? Google is there. Okay, now Google, right? Google, just I'm writing Google. Now think about that. So Google, right? This is the Google page is there. Okay, now so how this is our application. So for that, what? Till now, to means gmail.com, these things will perform our application, right? Gmail.com, just I'm writing what? Gmail.com means using host and port number, right? Using host and port number, direct it will come to what? Direct it will come to what? Our Gmail server, right? Gmail server. Okay, now so our Java application Gmail server, till now Gmail server will come. So